Ladies and gentlemen, today we live in the digital era where everything is becoming digital by the second. But somehow there's a contradicting fact. According to the BPS, 76% of all Indonesian students don't have electronic devices such as phones nor laptops. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Hassan Ahmed Badar from SMKN 1 Surabaya. And today I'd like to talk about how traditional classroom is better than e-learning classrooms. Before we start, I'd like to remind us all that we live in an archipelago country made up of thousands of islands. Now, do you really think that if we were to change our ways of education from traditional classroom to e-learning classroom, it'll just work out like that? Of course not. It's gonna take time. It's like telling a village to turn instantly into a city out of the blue. It's not gonna happen. It's impossible. Moving on, I'm sure many of us has experienced being in some kind of meeting of some kind in the era of COVID, which is why I'm sure many of us is familiar with how e-learning is like. E-learning can be very boring and hard to focus in. I mean, tell me the last time you actually focused in an online class. Last time I checked, whenever I had an online class, I'd watch or play something in another tab. Indonesia is an archipelago country which has 200 million people living in it. 55% of which live in the Java Islands, while the rest live in the secluded islands. Now, one of the main problems with e-learning is that 45% of all Indonesian population live in the secluded islands, where it's hard for them to get their hands on electronic devices. Not only for the accessibility, but also economically, it's hard for e-learning to happen. Why? Well, in urban areas, the average income per month is around 3 to 4 million rupiah. With the prices of electronic devices nowadays, do you really think they can save up enough money for electronic devices just for education when traditional classroom already exists? Why go the hard route when the easy route is right there, traditional classrooms? Don't forget, they also have to pay for the data and Wi-Fi or maybe other electronic devices such as headphones, headsets, mouses, and other stuff. Do you really think they can pay for their everyday lives with such low income? I'll let you answer that rhetorical question by yourself. With traditional learning, I'm sure the population would be much more familiar than if it was with e-learning. And there are many cost-effective ways to handle traditional learning rather than e-learning. Unlike e-learning, in traditional classrooms, you'd actually get to meet with your teachers and friends face-to-face. You'd get social interaction. You'd get immediate feedback and response, unlike e-learning, which can sometimes depend on your connection or your teacher's understandability. Traditional classrooms shines the most in practical lessons, such as science or arts. These practical lessons with your friends can be very, very priceless. How, you may ask? Let me give you an example. Say you have a big science project, and because of that project, you have to stay in the lab for a long time. As a matter of fact, you stay so long that the place gets dirty, messy, and in the end you get scolded by it. And you have to clean the place up. That is what is so priceless about traditional classrooms, because nothing like that can be recreated anywhere else. Tell me, can that be recreated in an e-learning classroom environment? Ladies and gentlemen, which one would you rather choose for the future of our education? Traditional classroom, which can cover all of the Indonesian's population, or e-learning, which can only cover some? The obvious answer is, of course, traditional classroom, which has way more benefits. From the points above that I've stated before, according to the geography and population of Indonesia, I think it's clear that even though traditional classroom has been used for a long time throughout our history, it's still better and has more benefits than e-learning would have. I think that's all for my speech. I hope you agree and believe that traditional classroom is better than e-learning classroom. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.